Well, time is running out for people impacted by Helene to apply for federal hurricane relief. 10 News reporter Libby Cunningham spoke with FEMA today. Libby, bring us up to date with what they had to say.
Robin, Jeff Jones is FEMA's Deputy Federal Coordinating Officer. He's working out of Bristol, Virginia right now. We visited Damascus, Virginia a few weeks ago and saw firsthand damage brought on by flooding from Helene. Jeff says he's seen the damage too. The families we talked to say they don't think FEMA offered them enough aid. Jeff says anyone who feels this way should appeal FEMA's decision. Now you can do that by sending them a letter or filling out a form detailing why you think you need more aid. Anyone who hasn't applied for initial aid needs to do that soon.
Registration deadline for individual assistance is December 2nd. So folks really need to get registered, their initial registration by December 2nd. But we have other programs.
Now, according to FEMA, it can take up to 3 months to find out if you've won your appeal. Jones says if FEMA cannot help anymore, it works with partner agencies that can.
All right, Libby, thank you for that update.